This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's Fast Play. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass Fast Play, select the main menu button at any time. Fast Play will begin in a moment.
Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
I like it here. The only one for me. That was fun.
It's now or never. We gotta save her.
Take a bite.
Snow White.
We interrupt this broadcast for a special weather bulletin. The snow continues to fall. All schools, all stores, all roads will be closed until further notice. In other words, we're snowed in.
What? Oh, no!
Gosh, Mickey, if we're snowed in, how are we supposed to get home to our families?
Aw, don't worry, fellas. You've got family right here. All of us.
I always wanted a duck for a brother. Oh! Join Mickey Mouse and all your favorite Disney friends in a full-length animated movie, Mickey's Magical Christmas. On Disney DVD, come along on a heartwarming journey
The holidays are here.
and share the magic of the holidays with your family.
What a wonderful Christmas.
Disney Winnie the Pooh Seasons of Giving 10th Anniversary Special Edition.
Hip hip hooray!
Near and far away.
This full-length adventure features 5 unforgettable songs and an endearing story about love and the true meaning of friendship.
Thank you for being my friend.
Winnie the Pooh Seasons of Giving 10th Anniversary Special Edition on Disney DVD.
The movie you're watching right now is magic. And the magic continues after the credits. Just look inside your DVD or Blu-ray disc for the magic code to start earning points toward fantastic rewards at DisneyMovieRewards.com.